Basically, things started to go wrong after my mum had died, because not only did she die, I lost my mum, I also lost my place to live. So I moved back down to London. I was literally sleeping in the entrance to King's Cross station. Not the easiest place to get asleep at times.
Obviously, things were difficult for him. He'd just gone into our direct access hostel from living in a derelict house. You could tell that that wasn't going to set him back. He was going to move forward, and he wanted to engage, and he wanted to grab hold of whatever we could offer him through courses, through the music department that we had at the time. And you could tell that Ian would move on, and that, you know, his life would become better, because he was determined to make that happen.
The music tech course, we used a thing called Cubase, and it was fantastic. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. It just launched me on a completely different road.
He sort of completed his music tech course here, and then wanted to go on to web design, and then he's gone on to the next stage. And I think because he grabs hold of whatever opportunities you can give him, it makes you want to help him even more.
The fact that there's so much out there that people can learn, that if they want to, then they should go for it, you know, because it's as far as sort of something, as I said, self-respect and confidence.
I'd just really like to say to Ian, congratulations. Sit back and really think and really be pleased with what you've done. And congratulations, and enjoy your evening.
Getting an award for something I would have done anyway, it's kind of weird. But it's great, yeah.